like Tagalog in it, in between.
Ang budget natin ngayon sa shopping natin mga guys is 50 million.
Wow!
Maliit lang naman sa budget natin na tatapyasin yun.
Wow, ang sarap ng water natin. Parang may chlorine. Ano ba yun?
Ang ganda. Bili ka niya mga 80,000 pieces.
Hi everybody! Today, I'm gonna be showing you the things because I want my accent really good. I've tried to like study in Harvard University and University of Pennsylvania, University of Columbia, everywhere I go. So I'm in a mood of making a vlog because I just want to share to everyone my lifestyle. I mean my lavish lifestyle. So yeah, kasi ayoko naman sa naiinggit kayo, pero this is me. I'm just bragging and you're just like that. You're being poor, like what the So as you can see at my back, there's a lot of things going on. Here is my perfume collection, which is gifted from my dad. Most of the perfumes that I have are actually gifted from my dad. Kasi every time na nag-assign siya ng mga project, he always gave me like a 5 or maybe 10%. I actually requested to make it 15% of the project, but I was very considerate, so I just told my dad, now maybe let's do it like 10. Let's meet halfway. 10% of the project. Anyways, yeah, and also here's my bag collection. I'm so happy because it's growing right now. It actually comes from my dad's hard-earned money. Like what? Now I am here on my vanity because I want to see my face, because I'm gonna be putting like a simple get ready, because I don't usually put so much in my face because I know that I'm perfect. I was actually beyond the perfections that you are expecting within the negativity of the positive 5 from the 3. Anyways guys, no joke, we're going out. My mom wanted to have some haircut, and I'm actually looking for a screen protector because mine was actually cracked and I don't want to take care of something that is cracked. So yeah, I'm doing this English because I know that I have an international viewers. To be honest with you guys, we have an apartment in Beverly Hills wherein a lot of famous celebrities, Hollywood, are actually renting our apartments. We currently have an 80 apartments, and for confidentiality, I'm not gonna name names of the people that is living or renting our apartments, but those are like a very simple thing for us because my family.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Anyways, I'm going to wear this. I'm gonna be bringing this one because I think this kind of sweatshirt or like what do you call this? I don't give a fuck. I mean, this one's really good. What it is, what's poppin', what's good, what it up. I'm gonna be putting tiki-tiki. Hindi to tiki-tiki, hoy. Serum to. Serum Rakas. Kahit ganito na ang face, alam ko naman na meron pa rin itong i-improve kahit mga 2%. Ayan. So we're gonna be putting here. I've decided to like make a vlog because a lot of people are enjoying my TikTok videos. It was actually a short video only, but I'm planning to make it long form of video. So you must follow me or subscribe me here on my YouTube. It's Daniela Reed. If you haven't clicked the yellow basket, if you haven't clicked the bell button, don't forget to click that because you'll get notified once I upload a video, and I promise you that you'll get entertained like Kasi ganun talaga, every time I speak a lot of English, I feel like many people are getting intimidated. That's why I sometimes put like Tagalog in it, in between. Ay, tumatasig yung mga laway ko. In between. The laway ko kasi is very, very healthy. My family is very healthy. They're actually doing great because sometimes we go to Jupiter and Saturn. Parang dun kami nagpapatayo ng rest house, guys. Kasi parang sobrang dami na naming rest house here sa Earth. So, we're planning by the way, guys, if you're asking, my dad is an owner and CEO of the solar system. So, kaya ako nagtatanong kayo na medyo bakit parang ang ganda ng life mo, mentor. Actually, my dad is Actually, the owner, puro actually naman to. Actually. We were very sad nung time na na-announce namin that the Pluto has gone. And we are still planning to change another planet. Hopefully this year, mapalitan siya ng planetang Kuto. So, yeah, I have to go. Don't forget to wear sunscreen. Like, every day. Even if you're inside of the house, you should wear sunscreen, okay? And, yeah, These are my top three, yeah, I like it, so nice. I'm just gonna be wearing this clear glass from Blue Elephant. Actually, my dad bought me like 85,000 pieces of this because whenever I like something, my dad always on the rescue. Like, my dad is my unlimited ATM machine. Like, thank you so much, Dad. I love you. Wow. Anyways, this is my perfume collection. This is Common Sense by DNL. If you haven't tried this, you can go to my Nick Knock. It's Common Sense by DNL. And yung mga videos noon, may yellow basket na rin yan. Meron tayong pang lalaki. Meron tayong pang babae here. And then we have the, my favorite. This is English Pear and Freesia inspired. I really like this one because I like the combination of fruity and floral scent. I'm going to layer this with my Fleur de Peau. Sana tama yung accent ko, yung pronunciation ko. Kasi kung mali ang pronunciation ko, malamang sa malamang mababash ako. So, mag-apology video na lang. Mag-statement na lang ako, day. Ganun naman eh. Tapos mawala agad ang issue. I'm gonna take my supplement first. So, I have here my multivitamins. I also have my magnesium and ashwagandha. Yes, nagtitake po ako ng ashwagandha like in tanghali. Kasi gusto ko rin makasleep habang kunyari may mga bini-wait namin si mommy habang nagpapa-haircut siya. I can sleep na lang beside her. Because sometimes I cannot sleep without her eh. My mom kasi, every time na kumukobra siya sa 4-piece, talagang lagi akong included sa life. So yeah, I'm happy that I'm living my lavish life right now. Don't forget to say thank you to all the friends in life. And yeah, I'm going down. I'm going timber. So here's my dad.
Hello!
Ayan yung dad namin. Nagpapahinga siya. Waiting na lang siya for the Senate. We're just chilling here.
Ang budget natin ngayon sa shopping natin mga guys is 50 million.
Wow!
Maliit lang naman sa budget natin na tatapyasin yun.
Actually, sobrang liit lang noon kasi usually mga project ni Daddy umaabot talaga ng mga 1.3 trillion. Like trillion, hindi billion, not millions. But trillion. Oh my gosh. Kaya, we're living a lavish life here.
Bukas magla-lunch tayo sa Singapore na.
Grabe talaga yung mga pabaon ng daddy ko talaga.
Ang dinner natin bukas ay sa New York.
Wow! Grabe guys, talagang grabe na yung life namin. Talagang hindi na rin po talaga namin alam po saan ilalagay yung pera. Minsan nga pinaplano namin na sunugin yung pera pero naawa kami sa mga taong dukha. Charek. Baka maniwala na sila sobra. Hindi guys, marami pa kaming loan sa pag-ibig. Dito pala ako sa labas. Si Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex, mag-hi ka. Siya po yung magda-drive sa amin. Nakagraduate yan sa Harvard. Tumawid sa Hogwarts at ngayon po ay nagmamasteral siya sa University of Pennsylvania. Actually, may sinasabi yung dad ko. Saan tayo mag-swimming pa?
Mag-swimming tayo sa Mars.
Oh my gosh, grabe. Grabe talaga mag-treat yung father ko. Iti-take ko na yung supplement kasi parang naloloka na silang lahat dito. Alright? Nandito nga pala yung partnerakas natin dyan. Ayan. Siya rin po ang takapagmana ng mga kumukubra ng 4-piece natin. So, wow. Wow, ang sarap ng water natin. Parang may chlorine. Ano ba yun? Parang may chlorine. Parang last day. Actually, hindi namin ginamit talaga yung airplane for the reason na pinapagas pa siya and mamayang 8 PM pa matatapos yung pag-gas up ng gasoline namin. But I'll just let you guys show. I will let you see what's going on in my life. There's a lot of things that is going on in my life, to be honest. But yeah, trying to be humbled by my family. And bye-bye. At naka-vlog ako ngayon dahil nasa mood tayo mag-vlog. Hello, ayun si Kuya Alex, oh. Mukhang bagong gising pa kasi guys, nagmamasteral yan eh, puyat yan minsan. Ang course niya kasi na tinitake ngayon guys is BS Master in Mobile Legends. Ano ba yun? Meron siyang tournament kasi guys sa sa Europa para sa kanyang
MLBB. Mother, masaya ka naman kasi she's getting her haircut na, mahaba na daw. So, babayaran niya lahat ng per gupit, per hibla ang bayad niya. Pag magpapagupit ng mother ko, isang hibla 1,000 pesos. So, mga 80,000 or like 180,000 yung pagupit niya.
What the fuck?
Para mga itik ang mga boses. Pang 80,000 na sasakyan na namin to, guys. Yung iba dyan, pinapamigay na namin. So, maswerte talaga yung mga taong pinapamigyan namin ng mga sasakyan kasi wala silang nagagastos. Tapos, lahat yan, automatic na transfer of transfer of title. Ano man tama na? Naghahanap na sila guys ng papamilhan kasi parang gusto nilang bubilhin yung buong mall. Like the fact, magkano budget mo sa Uniqlo?
1M lang.
Mga 1 million budget niya sa Uniqlo. Solid talaga yung mother ko, like a rock. Pangit ng buhok ko guys, bala ko sanang magpakuha, palitan yung buhok ko, magpa-transplant ako ng buhok galing sa giraffe. Buhok galing sa giraffe? Wala namang buhok yung giraffe. Medyo walang masyadong tao dito here. Pero kasi walang pasok. So, pag may nakita ko mga estudyanteng naka-uniform, tapos suspended ng klase nila, pagsasabihan ko. As in malala. Like, pagsasabihang malala. Naka-jacket lang ako, naka-sweatshirt lang ako guys, tapos naka-short. Kasi, ang lamig-lamig dito. Pero kasi, sanay naman kami sa Alaska, sa mga malalamig na ano. Kasi, usually, we spend our, like, Christmas in Europe. Pero kasi talaga guys, parang medyo malamig ngayon, tangin. So guys, bibili daw siya ng padding. Like the fop. Kasi ang concern lang namin baka daw wala ng stocks pag na-request. Nakakaya naman. Chares. Kasi ang stocks lang na gusto ni mother, mga 100,000. Malamang kukunin mo muna yung nasa una. Ayun oh. Isa lang yung kinuha mo. Kala ko 1 milyon. Guys, naantok pa ako pero kasi yung parents ko mahilig mag-shopping eh, like the fuck. Wow, taga-bit-bit lang. Taga-bit-bit ang father ng 10 million budget. Wow, ang ganda. Bili ka niya mga 80,000 pieces. And maghanap ka na ng mga susutin mo sa pagdinig. Guys, oh my god, look at my feet. Ang pangit.
Patingin mo rin. Maligtis ba siya?
Okay lang. Magpapa-haircut daw siya guys kasi medyo feeling niya kailangan niyang mag-getting ready sa pandinig. Naghahanap ako ng protector ng aking phone kasi basag na siya. Marami ng bilis to sa sila. Hindi na kasi available yung mga screen protector pag sa Power Mac. So, mga ganitong stall, meron pang available. Actually guys, dito talaga kami magde-dinner sa Japan. Ayan oh. Oh my god, Japan. Nasa Japan SM Dasma. Go. Oh my god, nasa Japan na talaga kami. Ramen kami ngayon ng father ko. Parang plano niyang bilhin lahat ng nasa menu. Kain na ang Japanese na malapit ng pagdinig. Living a lavish life it is. Taray, oy, taray. Ano yan? Kolota? Kalbo at kolota? Pwede na for the pagdinig. May Alex. Taray. Wow, lamon. Before the pagdinig. Like a villain. Okay, mother, guess the bill.
5 million?
Wow, ikaw pa, guess the bill.
7 million.
Ikaw kuya, guess the bill.
8 million.
Ang tamang sagot ay 1,500. Hi everybody! So now we're going home na and my mom got tired, my father got tired. And sobrang namili lang kami ng mga rice kasi yung rice na yan ipapakain lang namin sa mga dogs. Ano eh? Nakakainis naman yung traffic ngayon kasi yung airplane namin until now ginagasan pa guys. So hindi kami makagamit ng airplane. Pero kung ako talaga, I would choose the airplane compare dito sa car namin kasi mas efficient mas convenient. And walang traffic. And walang mga mababaho sa gilid, tsaka mga baha na yan. Ayoko niyan. Gagi. Okay guys, so we just got home. We just bought a lot of things. Like a lot. Like, oh my gosh, kamusta ang pagkubra sa 4-piece? Wow. Wow, Ian. I bought bola pala guys kasi I'm planning to this party eh. Diba, Vaj? Yeah. Nay. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog and that's pretty much it. Puro kalokohan for entertainment purposes lang yun guys. Kung may mga nasabi ako nakaka-offend, pagalitan nyo na lang ako. Salamat!